What's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today I'm so excited because I come with another excited video that will change your life for good. Okay, like whatever I show you here, if you follow me step by step, there is no way you are not going to make money. That's for sure. If you follow what I have been teaching here step by step, if you follow me from the scratch to the end of the video, there's no way you're not going to make a lot of money. I have discovered this airdrop. Okay, this airdrop is not going to, you are not going to pay any money to claim this airdrop. This is still new and it's still fresh. Okay, and if you queue in now, you are going to make a hell lot of money if you follow me step by step. The reason why you are not making money is because you don't love, watching my video. Just spend your data to make a lot of money using my video. Okay, like you can still go and participate on this UVA. Okay, this UVA token, you can still go and participate on that, but this is not reason why we are here today. Okay, so guys, let's make this money together. I'm going to review this wonderful project that is going to make you a lot of money, but before then I'm going to go to Trust Wallet. Let me show you something before we proceed. Okay, so we click on Trust Wallet. Okay, we click on Trust Wallet. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also like this video and give me a sweet comment. It's going to help me a lot to reveal some secret to you. Okay, so we go to our Trust Wallet. Okay, this is our Trust Wallet. I'm going to put my password. Okay, after password I'm going to show you something for you to understand where I'm going or where I'm driving to. So when you understand where I'm going, you are going to understand how you can use it to make money. We are now on pancakeswap.finance. Wait, I'm going to show you something. Don't skip this video. Okay, so we are now on pancakeswap. What do I need to show you? I'm going to show you about their native token. Okay, I'm going to show you about their native token, which is cake. Okay, this is cake. I'm going to show you this cake. Okay, this is cake. Can you see what I'm touching on? This is cake. And how much did cake worth today? We come here, you can see that a piece of cake is just 1.151. okay, $1.151. okay, that's cake of today. And remember that cake is just a decentralized exchange where you can swap your or buy your token. Okay, this is a decentralized exchange where you can buy your token, and this is going to bring us to this video. Okay, this airdrop that I'm going to show you now. As in, let me tell you, if you participated on the launch of this PancakeSwap at initial, when they were giving airdrop, do you know that you would become a millionaire by now? Like, let's say you have 10,000 of their coin, of their token. Do you know how much it would have make for you by now? Okay, so but this one is going to represent that right now. So let's go. Let me show you this wonderful project that is going to make you a lot of money, and you are not going to pay any dime on this project. Okay, so the name of this website is called Futuristicswap. Okay, Futuristicswap. Okay? Futuristicswap is also a decentralized exchange. Okay, it's built on, this exchange is built on CoreDAO. Okay, and you can go and do your research. Whatever I show you here, you can go and do your research. So I'm going to teach you how you can register, because registration is first after you do your own research. Okay, but you are not going to lose any money here, because this is still fresh and you are still going to make a lot of money. Let's go. Let me show you how you can register first before we dive in and show you more. So we are here in the registration center. So the first thing you are going to do is to put this referral link. Okay, you are going to click on DonRaph. Okay, and it's going to be small letter. Okay, DonRaph. Okay, so after putting DonRaph here as referral, because you are going to get a bonus, you are going to get some bonus by putting this DonRaph here. Okay, you are going to get the bonus. So after putting it, you are going to put your own username here. Remember, listen to what I'm explaining here so that you won't make any mistake. So here you are going to put your username. Okay, while putting your username, please don't put capital letter. Everything should be small letter. Okay, like you are going to write something like, let's just say Chidi, like this. Okay, everything is going to be small letter. Don't put capital letter like C. It's going to be capital letter. Don't do it like that. Just do it with small letter. So after putting it, the next thing we are going to do is to enter our email address. Okay, you put your email address, and after putting your email address, your country, I think your country will automatically show here, or you select your country. Okay, then after that you put your phone number. your phone number right here. Okay, after putting your phone number, you put your password, repeat your password for confirmation, then you click on this place, agreed. Okay, you are going to click on agree, tick it good, so you can click on register. Congratulations if you do this. Then I'm going to show you how you can claim your own airdrop. Okay, there's 2 places you are going to be claiming airdrop, and the link to those places is in the description. Okay, the first one, the link is going to be in the description, the link to register here. And always remember that you're going to put DonRaph here, DonRaph. Okay, I'm going to put it on the description and on comment below. I'm going to tag it on comment below also for you to understand. And there's bonus to get anytime you use my referral link to register. Okay, this is win-win. We are all going to win. So after that, we are going to log in. Okay, let me log in. So here I put my username and password. Okay, I'm going to put my username and password. So I click on login. So here I'm in right now. Okay, and let's read more concerning this project. Okay, let's read more concerning this project. I click on this project. Okay, so once I click on this project, you can go through what they have said here. Futuristic is a multifunctional hot edge, okay, decentralized exchange with its token. Okay, this is their native token, Fswap. Okay, that's their native token, Fswap, which has amazing futuristic features and real authority. Fswap is designed to have multiple users cases as a currency for decentralized exchange desk wallets. Okay, and bank P2E games, NFT, and marketplace. Launchpad, other blockchain-based applications, and all through the ecosystem. Wow, there's a lot. You are going to be getting Launchpad trading here. Okay, Launchpad, you are going to be doing Launchpad trading here. So guys, this is an opportunity. And we are going to view here. This is ongoing project. They are still constructing so many things here. Okay, they are still constructing so many things. That's why I say that you should queue in. Let's make this money together. Okay, so we are back on the page. Always remember that I'm going to show you how you can start mining. You can see here that I have 60 Fswap here. Okay, like now we understand what Fswap is all about. Is their native token. Okay, Fswap, and here is where you can download their app. Okay, their mining app. This is where you are going to download it. Once you click on this place, you are going to get yourself in Play Store. You can use App Store also. Then you click on open. Okay, once you click on open, you can see everything here. This is #1 multifunctional. Okay, I'm coming. This is #1 multifunctional. This is everything they are going to be doing on this app. So after downloading, we are going to go back. Okay, so you will come to this place and join their social medias. Okay, you can see their social media handles here. You can join their Telegram, you can join their Twitter, you can join their YouTube, you can join their Instagram and TikTok. Okay, you can join any of it, and it's always important for you to join them so that you will be getting some information. Okay, and if you notice here, you will see that IDO starts on September 25th 1800 UTC. Okay, this is, they are going to launch their IDO on 25th of this month. Okay, which is I think tomorrow. Okay, so guys, this is the time for you to get in. You can see here that before I will start recommending something for you, I'm going to test it first. I'm going to do so many research for me to know whether this is really working before I'll come to this YouTube and show you everything. Okay, if it's not working, I don't think I'll come here to show you this. So guys, once you come here, you will see their swap. Okay, once you click here, this is swap, this is Launchpad, this is airdrop mining is live. You can see it. Airdrop mining is live. You can see it here. Then this is Google Play, where you can get the app. Okay, and this is still coming soon, the App Store. This one is coming soon. Okay, but you can still make use of their website. Okay, those that are using Apple phone. Okay, so you can see their social medias. Okay, this is their social media. You can follow them. Then you will still come down. Okay, this is what we read before. You need to come and go through everything here. You can watch this video. Okay, and this is their vision. This is their vision, futuristic vision. You can come here and read it. Okay, this is their aim. Okay, futuristic aim. You are going to, there's a lot of things to learn here, and this is their goals. Okay, I think, and this is their goal desk. This is the circle, what they are going to be offering in this website. Okay, this is swap. This is what they are going to be offering. They are going to offering dex, pad, and lottery. They are going to be offering bank, wallet, pay, P2E games, NFT marketplace, and chain. Okay, this is their circle of their goals, what they are going to be doing. Then this is futuristic utility and use cases of Fswap. You can come here and this one is live. Okay, this one is live. Anyone that is live here, it simply means that they have launched it already, and there's some of it that is under construction. You can see this one is live also, and this one is futuristic pad. Okay, and it's live. And you need to come and learn. This one is coming soon. Futuristic wallet, this one is coming soon, guys. There's a lot of money to make here. Futuristic pay, you can see it here coming soon. Those ones are under construction. This is to tell you that you are still new. Okay, you are still new in this project, and you are going to make a lot of money. And all those ones is still coming. Okay, it's coming soon. Futuristic play to earn game. This is, you play game and you also earn. This one is futuristic NFT. Okay, marketplace. You can see there they are talking, is still coming. Okay, this one is under construction. Okay, this one is under construction. Futuristic bank is under construction. Anyone that you see under construction, they are still working on that. But this one coming in, they have fixed the dates for it to go live, and I'm going to show you the ones that is on the way to go live. So this is still coming. You can come here and read. Okay, I don't want to waste much time. You can see the name is futuristic. This is token information. Futuristicwap is the name. Symbol is F. Swap, and decimal is 18. This is the total supply, and this is the contract address. You can come here and copy it, go and add it in your Trust Wallet or any exchange at all. Okay, so you can stay, come down and read more. Okay, the futuristic map. Okay, you can come here and read. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of money to learn, to earn here. There's a lot of money to earn here. So let's make this money. So I know that everybody have been asking, how do I claim this airdrop? Yes, that's the next thing. After you come here and read everything here, the next thing is, how can I earn this money? So we click on this place, this one here, airdrop. You click on that. So you can see, once you are here, you can see something like this, 7 hours 32 minutes and 43 seconds. You can see it counting here. This is the time, the countdown to be able to earn this airdrop. Okay, and once the countdown is already finished, what I need to do is to click on this place again, claim and airdrop. Once I click on that, I'm going to claim another airdrop, and it's going to be showing here. You can see my total airdrop here, Fswap, is just 60, because it's not quite wrong. I discovered this airdrop. So you will come every day, every 24 hours to claim yours here. Okay, and you can see that the remaining token to be claimed is this. Okay, this is the remaining one, and the token miners is this one. Okay, so you need to rush now and start claiming yours, because there will come a time you will say, had I know. Okay, so I don't want you to say had I know on this project. We all need to make this money together. Okay, you can see what I showed you here. The IDO starts on September 25th. You can see it here. Okay, September 25th, 1800 UTC. Okay, this is the time. So you need to start right now. As anytime you see this video, start mining. Okay, start earning, and you are going to thank me for showing you this in future. So guys, the next place is how you can claim airdrop. Okay, you can claim more airdrop on Telegram. Okay, you are going to earn more airdrop on Telegram. So you need to come to the link in the description. Okay, you will see the link to claim the airdrop on the Telegram. You will be claiming this one, and you are going to be claiming the one on Telegram, and all are still the same. They are the one distributing both on this website, and they are also distributing on their Telegram. You are going to be getting everything right here. Okay, so you need to rush in the Telegram right now and claim that one. Okay, the link to be claiming that one is very simple. You need to follow their social medias. Okay, after following it, you are going to, after following their Twitter, you are going to tell them your Twitter handle. Okay, once you place it, you are going to be earning. Okay, this is free money. This is free money. Some people won't understand what I'm doing right here until when this become millions. Okay, one people start making millions using this strategy. Okay, there's a lot of money to earn on Launchpad trading. There's a lot of money to earn on airdrop. If you check, a lot of people that make millions today, some of them start with airdrop. Okay, those coins that you don't know that this coin is going to make waves, and later once they start making you a lot of money, you are automatically billionaire at night. So guys, don't joke with my update. Queue up now. Let's make this money together. If you have any question to ask, I'm always here 247 to answer your question. Okay, you can chat me on WhatsApp, you can chat me on Telegram, you can chat me on this YouTube. Okay, in the comments below, I'm going to attend to every question. Okay, I'm still have a lot of videos where I'm going to teach you a lot of things. Always study. Okay, always study. Come down to this place, study everything here. Okay, you need to come and study. Okay, so this is going to be mind-blowing. Okay, you need to come and make this money together. Let's make this money together. Okay, so guys, I think I have covered everything here. I wish you good luck. Make sure that when you start making this money, remember me. Oh. Yes, you are going to make this money once you follow my instruction. I have been doing that and I'm making money, and you are also going to make money even more than me if you believe. Okay, you work hard to make this come true. Remember that their IDO is coming live on 25th. Okay, which is, it might be tomorrow. So you need to queue up now so that everything that is happening in this website, you are going to be among them. Okay, so I'm going to, I think it remains once something. Okay, this is the secret I want to show you right now. Nobody will show you this. Go and watch every YouTube video here. Nobody is going to review this particular one. It's still on this website. Let me check it. Okay, partnership. You click on this partnership. So this is another way to make a lot of money. This is another way to make a hell lot of money, because once you partner with them, you are going to make a lot of money. Just believe what I ask you to do right now. What do you want to do? Partnering with them simply means that you are going to make money. Okay, they are going to be giving you some percentage. You are going to have your own group. Okay, and once you have your own group, what do you need to do? Even without your own group, rush now and do this. Put your email address, put your futuristic IAO launchpad. You can click on this place. Okay, you can select any of these. You can choose a airdrop marketing. Okay, or IAO mining. Any of them, you can choose any of them. Then come down. Okay, come down. Like you can see, strategic partnership with Futuristicswap. Okay, you put your proposal here. Okay, so you can tell them that you are going to do this, you are going to do that. You know what to tell them for them to approve it. Okay, and this work with different country. I have been approved. Okay, I am partnering with them right now as we are speaking, and you are going to thank me for showing you this particular one. So what you need to do is, once you tell them what you are going to offer, even if you are not going to be able to offer it, just tell them what they need to know. Okay, so if you tell them what they want to know, then you click on acknowledge and submit it. They are going to add you to their private group where people that partner with them are. Okay, I'm also there. So see you there and see you at the top. Bye bye.